Hi there. Today we'll try to talk about a particular topic which is AWS DevOps Engineering. Before I start talking about AWS DevOps Engineering, I need to talk about DevOps Engineering itself. DevOps Engineering is a big umbrella. It consists of multi-dimensional skill sets of software development and operations. There are many tools and technologies for a DevOps engineer to master in order to work in a very dynamic DevOps culture. By looking into all those tools and technologies, one's supposed to become overwhelmed. Oh my God, I have to learn so many things and then I can become a DevOps engineer? Right. When you start investigating yourself, you will sink at some point in the ocean of DevOps tools and technologies. It's hard to navigate alone. I'm going to help you to narrow down the path to becoming a DevOps engineer so that you can navigate safely. Let us talk about DevOps engineering in the context of Amazon Web Services. At the same given amount of time, we cannot become experts in everything we want in the space of DevOps engineering. That's not realistic. We want to start a career in a solid place in a reliable way with reliable technologies. And you want to know a set of technologies that will persist long and will ensure a good paying job. What if we choose the cloud computing platform that has the highest market share in cloud computing space? Here, AWS is a market player. According to statistics from Synergy Research, AWS has a 32% market share at the end of 2020 and leading $130 billion cloud computing industry. Also, according to Gartner Magic Quadrant, AWS is the leader in the space. Now again, no one lives forever in the industry in a leading position. Technologies go into drastic changes over time. But if we look into 5 years, 10 years, 15 years from now, AWS will continue dominating the space of cloud computing. Now we know why we may choose AWS as our go-to cloud to start our cloud computing journey as a DevOps engineer instead of running in various directions. In my preference, I would like to move into a cloud that has a wider umbrella, a larger amount of clients. In that case, AWS should be the first choice. Do some fact check on your own. What is the skill sets the industry is looking for from an AWS DevOps engineer? You can find a few AWS DevOps engineer job descriptions from LinkedIn or any other job portal. You shall be able to find several services commonly used in the industry, and an AWS DevOps engineer needs to be proficient enough on those. Basically, an AWS DevOps engineer needs to focus on services related to SDLC automation, configuration management, and infrastructure as a code, various monitoring and logging, policies, and standard automation, incident and event response. High availability, fault tolerance, and disaster recovery is one of the core part of DevOps engineering. There are over 200 services or product AWS provides. You surely do not have to master all of them. You will have to look into major services related to DevOps activities according to the domain mentioned above. In case you work as a solution architect, more wider knowledge always gives an upper hand. If you have a curious mind and willing to learn, desire to have a promising career path, the software industry is looking for you. It's true, working in the software industry as DevOps engineer requires learning skills and training. No one is born with skills. They are developed. And with commitment and hard work, just anyone can do it. Let me know if you have any question in the comment below. If you like it, chase for it. Live for your life. That's it for today. We will see you next time. Thank you.